Hello guys, welcome to another video, and I have something exciting to announce. But before I announce that, let me just give you a little backstory. So about 1 year 6 months ago, I jumped into machine learning. You know, we software engineers, we have this kind of pride. We think that we are very smart, we can grab anything in seconds. So going with that pride and bias, I jumped into the core of machine learning straight up, and I got confused. Why did I get confused? Because I didn't know the maths behind the algorithms I was learning. So I had to go back to the beginning. Now, while going back to the beginning, that's studying the math topics I needed to know to understand how this machine learning, these ML algorithms work, I discovered something. They are all teaching me the theory, but no one is showing me how to implement these maths topics in Python, in a programming language. So I had to do that one myself. So coming to 2025, I see a lot of engineers still struggling with that. Yeah, they know the theory, but they don't know how to implement the theory practically. So that's what this series is going to be about: maths for ML, the foundation mathematics you need for machine learning. And we'll explore each and every of these topics with Python. That means there'll be a lot of implementation of matrices, of Eigen transformations, linear transformations, calculus. We are all going to implement them in Python, and subsequently we'll do it for other languages, but we are starting with Python. I have a bias towards Python. Python is like the easiest language to use when it comes to DSA, machine learning, and mathematics. So why maths for ML? Why maths? The magic behind machine learning is all centered around mathematics. Without mathematics, machine learning wouldn't even exist. So maths is a very important component of machine learning. It's what powers the algorithms that does machine learning. So you need maths. If you don't learn maths, you'll just be like this guy trying to figure out what a skyscraper is. We are taking machine learning as a skyscraper, so you will be confused. You're just looking up confused, not understanding. Like, what's a skyscraper doing in the middle of a grassland? Doesn't make any sense. You'll be very confused, especially when you're going into deep algorithms that use maths, like something like the multi-attention algorithm that transforms words, tokens into vectors and the rest of it. That transformer model is what caused this new revolution around large language models. Is what powers them. But if you don't understand the maths behind it, you won't really get how it works. You won't get how the attention algorithm works. So that's why you need maths. When you get maths, you'll be like this guy. This is our friend here. He's standing on the top of the step, looking at the machine learning building from above. Mathematicians tend to do better at machine learning than engineers with no background in maths. Yeah, I know maths is boring. Maths, it's should I say, painful, but it's also exciting. That's why I brought the coding aspect to it, where we implement the maths with Python, with the programming language. It brings the fun in it. So get ready to start working with maths in machine learning. And I promise you, this series is going to be exciting, not just exciting, informative and insightful. So we are going to be doing the theory and the practical, the theory and the practical. As you learn the theory, the topic, the maths topic, and you understand it, we practicalize with Python. So it is going to be really super pumped and exciting. So these are the topics we are going to be exploring. We'll be exploring matrices and vectors. Yeah, we'll be learning about multiplication and addition of matrices, scalar multiplication. Then we'll be looking at identity matrices. Then we'll look at transformations, linear transformations. We'll learn Eigen vectors and their transformations. We'll also look at derivatives and gradients, the chain rule. Yeah, chain rule is very important because you see a lot of chain rule being used in machine learning algorithms. Then most importantly, we'll learn probability. So this is just calculus and linear algebra. It's going to be exciting, I promise you that, because we are going to practicalize everything. So as you're learning, you're getting real world experience. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. On the next video, we'll be looking at matrices, and that's not the fun part. The fun part is that we are going to be implementing a matrix in Python. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one.